Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify Checkout with PayPal. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. This is actually super easy. All you need to do is head over to settings from the bottom left side of your screen, and then you can see we have our payment methods in here. So you can see we have payments, and I have already added PayPal. You can see we have this. PayPal is gonna cost 2% transaction fee, but that's it is what it is. So the setup is actually incomplete. You need to simply you can see like incorporate your settings and details. Once you do, you will have your checkout with PayPal done. So that's pretty much it for this one, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.